Hey guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 44,118 level on December 24, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 44,989. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 47,296 and 43,233 respectively. Technically, the index is in sideways trend. The TERGY closed at 118.40 level on December 24, 2021. The closing is above the 11 weeks average level of 112.04. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 128.55 and 101.91 respectively. Technically, the stock may continue its upside journey. The World Call Telecom closed at 2.05 level on December 24, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 2.24. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 2.69 and 1.88 respectively. Technically, the stock is in consolidation. The net SOL closed at 101.60 level on October 22, 2021. The closing is above the 11 weeks average level of 26.95. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 30.74 and 22.09 respectively. Technically, the stock is likely to remain positive. The CNERGY closed at 6.30 level on December 24, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 6.74. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 7.77 and 5.68 respectively. Technically, it can show further price gains. The TELE card closed at 15.95 level on December 24, 2021. The closing is below the 11 weeks average level of 16.53. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 17.22 and 15.52 respectively. Technically, the bearish weekly pattern cannot be ignored. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.